Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll learn how to make an automatic door opening system. So let us begin. So for this, we need one Arduino Uno, one small breadboard, one PIR sensor, two micro servos, and few connecting wires. Now let us see how to make the circuit. So over here, let us see first of all how to connect this PIR sensor. So first terminal is the signal terminal that we will connect to this 10 number pin of this Arduino. Second one is the power pin that we will connect to this 5V pin of this Arduino. And the third one is the ground pin that we will connect to this GND pin of this Arduino. Now let us see how to connect this micro servo. So it has also total 3 terminals. First is the signal terminal that we will connect to 12 and 10, 12 and 2 number pin of this Arduino respectively. And the second one is the power pin that we will connect to this 5V pin of this Arduino. Third one is the ground pin that we will connect to this GND pin of this Arduino. So in this way our circuit is ready. Now let us see the code. So this is our code. Over here first of all we have included one header file of servo. After it we have declared two objects of it S1 and S2. After it we have initialized one variable presence to 0. Now in this void setup function, we are beginning the serial connection with 9600 bits per second. After it we have configured the pin number 10 of this Arduino for the input purpose. And we have attached the first servo to 2 number pin of this Arduino and the second one to the 12 number pin of Arduino. And initially we are writing at 0 degree to both the servos. Now in this loop function we are reading the value of this 10 pin number of this Arduino and storing it in this variable. After it, we are also printing the same and the serial monitor. After it, using this if statement, we are seeing that if the value of the presence is high, if it is high, then we are making both the servo to turn to 50 degree for 3 seconds. And if it is low, then we are adding the same, that is the 0 degree, means the door will be closed. So in this way it will work. Now let us see how actually it will work. So for it, I am clicking on start simulation. As you can see, initially the doors are closed. Now, if someone is here near to the door, it will open for 3 seconds. And after 3 seconds, again it will close. So in this way, it will work. Thank you.